Hello and thank you for tuning into this episode. In this episode, me and my father is visiting Hardangervidda. We have a couple of locations in mind. I do not remember the name of this place, but I'll try to leave it somewhere on the screen. So this is the first location. And the goal for today is to try to find and photograph the golden plover, I think it's called in English. This is called heilo in Norwegian. And it's rumored that it's all over Hardangervidda. So now it's all about finding it and trying to get some pictures and videos of it. But yeah, we have the whole day. The sky is all clear, it's beautiful weather. It's actually too sunny, to be honest, because it's creating a lot of heat waves from the ground. So the best thing is to wait till a little bit later in the day and hopefully find the heilo or golden plover then. But yeah, I've already gotten some pictures of common redshank and a pipit. I'm not sure which one, but I'm guessing the meadow pipit. But yeah, I'll share some of those pictures, and I think we're gonna move on to the next location because there doesn't seem to be any golden plover here. So yeah. Otherwise, I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this episode. So, quickly set up the timeless slider. So we're gonna make some food, drink some coffee while the time lapse is going. So it's always nice to bring it along, get some nice time lapse. The landscape around here is really nice. It's sharp light, but I'm hoping that the clouds are gonna make some kind of shadow play, or at least some shadow dance in the mountainside. So hopefully it will turn out great. So yeah. have now arrived at Tinølen and we are scouting the area for some bird activity, but right now we're actually thinking of setting up a time lapse to capture this whole panorama, and hopefully as well some cloud play, because I think the clouds are moving really fast. So that might work well for a time lapse. I might also do a panorama landscape shot as well. And my father is also trying out his new, what do you call it? Extreme X8 for some outdoor adventure, 4-wheel drive and everything. But yeah, we're gonna set up for a time lapse and see if we can also get some birds as well while the time lapse is going. Time lapse is going, and meanwhile while we're waiting, we are getting eaten up by mosquitoes. I'm not sure if this can catch it, but there are so many big mosquitoes around here right now. Are getting overwhelmed by mosquitoes, so we are giving up the time lapse. I think I got around 600-700 images, so that should be enough for a complete time lapse. I only had 2 seconds interval, so the clouds might not move that fast as I wanted, but yeah, let's see. If it turns out great, it turns out great. Otherwise, it's an okay landscape time lapse. But yeah, so we are heading back to the car, and my father is getting to test out his wheelchair downhill. Might look a little bit complicated, but I'll help out if necessary. But yeah, on the way in here we did get some pictures of the golden plover or heilo from the car. Which I'm not sure if I've shared with you yet, but it's definitely coming in this episode. But we are thinking that on the way back we are also going to try to capture the heilo from the car, because the heilo is almost at the same eye level as we are sitting in the car, so it's kind of perfect in some places. So we're hoping that we're going to get the same opportunity on the way back and get some more pictures of the golden plover as well as video. But after that, I think we're calling it and heading back to Audiio for some late dinner. And yeah, calling it for a day. Litt lenger framme så jeg kan være med på dette. Eller, ta første. Jeg får kjenne deg. Fikk du den? Oi, oi, oi. There's so many mosquitoes. I don't know if the take I did earlier is any good, but oi, 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 I just had to run a little bit because there was so much. I think my father's doing good. He's doing his ending as well, but he is definitely getting eaten up by mosquitoes right now, I think. Whew, I have not experienced this many mosquitoes, I think, ever. This is insane. Ah, the size of them too. I'm probably gonna have so many mosquito bites tomorrow, and the next day it's gonna itch like crazy. But yeah, we finally got down to the car. So we are packing the car and hopefully getting some pictures of heilos. Whew.